Oh God, I got a bull ant on me. Go off. Anyway, that's got rid of that, I think. And it's mainly because I'm being a sticky beak. I want to crawl up in here and see what's in this old shed. Oh, I'll be blowed. About 100 years worth of treasure by the looks of it. Oh, look at that. Probably an old chook house, it is. An old chook house. Huh? Chooks used to go in there. Old bits of metal and things. Old bits of stuff. Old enamel thing. Whatever you call that. Some sort of weird, what is that? Used as paint something or other. Laboratory chemical. Ooh. I think I'll leave that one. Oh, there's a tree in here too. Yeah, that's growing through the front. Interesting. Got the bird's nest up in there. Oh, let's have a look. What the hell? Oh, bits of taps and stuff. Old things. Old books. Interesting. And a world of old rakes and that. Oh, there's a crowbar if I ever need one round here. Good. Look at the way this climber has gone up, strangled that tree. I'm going to try and get it down a bit. Oh, wow. Might need 2 hands for this one. Nearly gone down there, or swinging on the rope like Tarzan. Oh, yeah. Oh. Some more. Oh. Eventually I'll get it. It's pretty high though. This is how long it's grown in a few weeks. Now, only grapefruit up here. Nope. Oh, there is one, but look at it. It's been nibbled away, I think. Ah, there's a bird nest right there. And I reckon they've been eating it. I'll put it back. I don't know for sure, but possibly. Put it on the stick. There. Oh. There. Lots of bees on there. Anyway, this is what I weeds out here. Worms in there. Worms. Go down in the garden. Taken about half hour just to get that out. A lot of sweat. That one as low as I could. Last job of the day. I thought I'd get just a before and after. Pretty long. Probably see it better from down this angle. Oh, finally got it done. There. See where my mower is, right up there. Still got to get the blower yet. girl. Ah, good girl. Look at her. Look at her. You're so cute. You're so cute. You're special. Oh, you're special.